Jesus.
Lord God, Lord. People, this is what holiday is for, yeah? All a joy. Laugh and braff.
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual ring, keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
So it's time for our road trip. You ever wonder what it takes for us to actually go on a trip? Well, this is Pajero from our friends at Stewart's, who provided us with 2 cars this weekend to head down to the country safely. We also have a Suzuki Vitara, and this is the one with all the food. Check this out. I know we're talking about snacks. Yeah.
Him says, you taught him that word, peckish. Him say, I'm gonna feel I'm gonna feel very peckish after 1 second of driving.
That's right, it's true. But this is all the food and 1 guitar for good measure. Are we ready to go, Dad?
Yeah, ready.
All right, let's
Did
do
we
this.
pack the snacks?
Yes, we did. You can get 1 now. Right, and also in my car,
You're supposed to turn out the light up there.
we will. We have Jasmine in this car, MoMo, Atlas, and Baby Oz. Hi, Boozy. You comfy? You're not comfy. Let's make you comfy. Now we better foot cock up nice. Sure. Let's do it. And then the boys are over here minus the other 2 boys. Alex, you ready?
Yep, ready.
Ting Satut. Jax, you ready?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.
get a villa by the ocean side.
Hey.
We get a villa by the breeze and the tide. We get a villa. Oh, we get a villa. Villa.
Let me go see who's inside.
Hi, babe.
Amazing.
It's mine. It's mine.
All right, let's unpack. Go right through. Let's see what's on the other side. Go right through. Let's see. Go on. Go right through and tell me what you see.
A big swimming pool.
Yeah, isn't that beautiful?
There's a beach ball.
You guys ready to swim all day?
Yes.
All right.
I was in the other pool.
Okay. Yeah, we soon change. Let's go get the stuff out of the car and then we can swim.
Yay.
Come on then, let's go help.
I want to go upstairs.
Yeah, lots of stairs. Come on. Yes, Lord. Hello. Hi.
Hi, welcome to my room.
No more in your room. Look nice for true. Wow. Hello. Better you say our room because you know who asleep with you. Baby Oz. It's nice. Woo! I can't manage. I'm gonna look at the rest of the rooms. Come with me. Let's go look. Everybody is looking at rooms and where they're going. I can't manage. Yes, Maureen. Yes, girl.
Want to send me extra for MoMo?
Did we choose our room yet?
Huh?
Where are we sleeping?
I put the bags down there, so
Okay.
this and that room.
Okay.
Those are the two rooms.
And then what about Tess?
Huh? One of the two, one of these
Okay,
two.
got it. Alright, let me go figure it out.
Look who has reached it.
House.
The greatest, bestest man.
Yeah.
And Uncle Brandon.
Sissy's here, Bill is here, and Zaibu is here.
Oh, girl, get me a drink.
Yay! Come on, get this party started.
You got some brown liquor?
Word out.
And that part of the pool in the middle, Alex. I can do that way.
Alright. Lunch is done. Them say next on the agenda is golf.
Hey!
So you know say
Your lunch is not done.
it's the first time I'm gonna be playing golf, by the way. First time me and Tami or anybody here is gonna be playing golf, right? So it should be something to witness. But anyway, I wonder what me have up there can make me favor Tiger Woods. No, wife of Tiger Woods. Tiger Lion this. I want to about Tiger Woods.
Lion Woods?
Eh? Calm down, Tami. Watch this. I think I have something that can resemble Tiger. Alright, watch this.
Wayne is very ready in his outfits. Okay, somebody.
Tiger Lion.
I'm not ready. Alright, so let's do this.
Neutral when it not that is reverse. So reverse make a sound. Okay.
I wish I had my book with me so I could take notes. Some notes would be good. Let's see how he does. Let's see how he does. I really wish I had my book to take notes.
Oh, I'm here. Come down and drive it when I'm driving in truck and I chip in. I know. That's one lesson I need. One lesson is like a blessing.
Wait, can I drive us back?
No problem. I'll teach you how to do
Okay,
it.
please.
I'll teach you how to do
It's
it.
really not that hard.
No, it's
Alex
not.
and I figured it out. All we did was sit here and just fiddle with
Yeah, but you haven't done it. Everything looks easier.
We just didn't press go and move.
Everything looks easier when you're not actually doing it. That's the truth. Alright, we're gonna go play golf right now. None of us have ever played golf. Jazz, have you played golf?
Yes, but
Okay.
My
Alex?
dream, my
Okay.
dream would be MoMo driving one of them.
Yeah, but unfortunately the rule is that.
But you know, say MTM out there said,
But wait, I
please do.
wonder if Momo could ride a bicycle.
Yo, something, chef, what is something?
We're gonna figure something out, don't worry.
Also, underground, we are going to show the people about right there.
Alright. Okay.
Okay, so what we're going now is underground.
Oh, so that's the road up there?
The road is up there. The main
Guys,
road
we're
is up
crossing the road, but under the road.
there. You understand?
Oh.
We're underground settings.
Word,
So you don't
that's
say the thing,
cool.
a real adventure.
It's an adventure.
Yes.
Woo! Woo, 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 woo,
Alright, so now we're down over our Rosa golf course is now
I don't
done.
know, but that was cool.
I know. How much time we come half one here, but I'm going to cross, you see?
nice
See
breeze
them?
going
They cross the road now.
from the golf. Oh,
Yeah, we go for the golf course.
I mean, we're at the golf course and the half moon is that way.
Go up, sir.
I think this is our stuff over here.
Hello.
This is so fun. Hi, Andrew. Andrew is our caddy master.
Caddy master, get it right.
I
want
don't
if you
even
don't
know.
get it, caddy
I don't-
master, mind you forget a plaster. Go on, do it faster.
Andrew, are we dressed correctly for today? He said no.
Alright, then, man. Perfect. Okay, that's the
What? So what about us?
Come back, come back. Put the camera.
What about us?
Put the camera.
Wayne, he said you look perfect in your
Perfect, the man
outfit.
said. Him use the perfect. Him
And
use the
you,
keyword.
how can he be perfect?
No, no, you look good.
Does this mean that Jasmine and I get to shop? Because I see a top I like.
Wow.
Let's do it. Hold this, Wayne. I also need a cap. I hope you bring your money.
Show
Your
this.
perfect hat.
Yo, you know, say me never bring my perfect cash. God no.
Oh, Jasmine would have
I
looked good in
swear.
this.
Me never know so all of them something are available and open up. I swear.
Do we have to change? Hold on, we have to dress a certain way to do this?
But since you're already here,
Nah, sir. Not doing that. I will not see no people on the golf car. We alone. Caddy master. Oh, yeah, do this so strict.
If I
No,
knew,
man.
I would
Why
have.
they get a
I
leak?
would have.
Remember, Kelly Master said but. Okay. Would have to
Trouble them a trouble it. They want make you nervous, Tami. It's alright, man. You learn the
They're
thing,
gonna
man.
give us a blind.
answer
So we actually had to change. Like we bought 2 shirts because this is a very serious sport. Okay, you don't just show up anyhow you feel. So we're twinning. Yeah. And now we're going to go play. All right, let's do this.
I heard him say that the first, where you start to the first hole is a long way, so you have to hit the ball pretty far.
What?
Arm's gonna be dead after this.
What did we get ourselves into?
I don't know.
Jeez, you father, come. Them gone. Jesus. This is so cool. So this is just like maybe we're gonna practice jazz. Because I still like
don't know why I brought
golf
this then.
balls. It's alright. Alright, let's see what we do.
Welcome to Halfmoon Golf Club.
Thank you, sir.
Good. The swing is more. Come a little close. And you take the ball in. The club is parallel to the club. But if you lift it up here, you do this. Wow. Good.
I might be a golfer.
Beauty. Yeah. Move it first.
Good. Vincent, go and take them for 2 holes. All right?
We're gonna go for 2 holes,
Guys, go for
because
2
we're running
holes.
out of time. Wayne is having a hard time with the fact that I just aced that. So he's still practicing. We're going on some holes.
Professional driver and tea.
Very sweaty.
Very hot.
Oh, this not drive like vehicle.
Go ahead.
You can't see?
Go ahead.
All right, come me can't see. We're in a better move, you know.
Right bunker is it? Oh, wow. Wow.
Ooh.
Wow.
Yoo-hoo!
It's not hard to
Oh
play,
my
man.
God.
Good try. Same zone it go.
Go, Andy, Tami!
Bye, guys. We're on a roll. I'm a natural. We're winning. Yeah. No, this is big. I don't know if Wayne can afford for me to be starting golf. Oof. It's gonna hurt his pockets and it's gonna hurt mine.
You know, wait a minute.
All right. I love that.
Me too.
All I'm gonna say is golf is not my sport.
Really? You did well though.
I think I did good.
You did
Okay,
alright.
let me ask you this. Did you,
I
but did you
destroyed
enjoy
the
it?
grass.
I did too.
We all
Made a
did.
huge hole in
Dude,
the
no,
pitch.
but remember me tell you this today, Alex. Don't judge yourself off
of
a
that,
first
yeah.
day of doing something. You get what I
True,
say?
true,
Yeah.
true.
Because first day, look how much
first
thing when
day.
me try for the first time. I look like the biggest idiot ever. And then
I-
eventually you take time catch
No,
it. It's
but Wayne,
practice
I
though.
thought that golf was like the most boring thing on the planet
Yeah.
until today.
Yeah, no man, it have
Like
our
if
vibes.
you've never tried it, you should try it because
Yeah.
I actually love that. Like I think we should try and figure out how to do that back in town. I loved it. I can't believe I like it. No, I want to go learn what club head speed is.
Yo, for all those who watch
You too,
CNN
Tami, you always tell me everything.
and
you
see
do
them at the
properly.
golf practice every minute.
And big up Vincent and Sonny.
Big up Vincent and Sonny. The director tell me say,
Kevin was amazing too, the director.
golf is one of the hardest sports to learn.
Watch it. No, show me the grass. She said water.
What you say do with the drink?
This what you made and drink it. Not
My
my life.
MoMo.
Why you put this in this? Apple time? Not a taste. You know, taste not. Just one drink. You know, so I put it down.
No, but MoMo you kind of look like a little,
No, son, not a thing. No,
I
be
get little
alright.
reddish.
No, me ain't red.
Fix the next one
Give
here
me
then.
one more.
Fix the next one. Turn it up. It's a gear. We're going in a gear 2 now. A gear 1 that you know. We want to go gear 2. MTM family, stay tuned, okay? One more drink for MoMo.
Oh, Jesus.
No, tonight. We like the night, you know. Alright. MoMo. Come, my darling. Well, it's a holiday with the fun. Enjoy yourself.
That one you taste like something in it.
Okay, no.
Yes, sir.
Alright, take your time. Go and sip and go through.
Yes.
Don't make them rush you, yeah?
Don't take me little time.
Alright.
Maureen, go sit down by the
Down by the pool and
cut
go and cook.
party, you know.
You wanna?
Party, me go cut.
sit
Me take
down.
time. Partner party.
As please no wake up tonight because MoMo cannot deal with you. She can't deal with you tonight.
Where you say up here? A pure sweat and poacher?
What you say you give me a while ago?
No,
Tip
rubber
up.
coat.
Yeah, give me tip up.
Yes.
And this hour now.
Mass up.
Tap up.
Top up.
No man, that's a mass up.
Mass up.
Yes.
So me
The
want-
next one I go make you mash up.
Listen though. Tami ball out and say no. If Az wake up him then our new place, if Az wake up tonight, she know want MoMo put Az in a sink and turn on the pipe on him and all kind of something. Joke sweet and extra sweet. Well, I know. MoMo, why you sweat so?
Hey, I see me.
The bus out of kind of thing out of my body.
Rasta.
Give me 5 more.
Yo.
We're gonna suit me and grow up. One more.
Lord God. No.
One more.
Step on the pressure on now, man.
It's a man. Then MoMo, I say, dude.
No, feel me and a pee sweat me and sweat it out. Pee sweat me and
You look
sweat.
like you are run Frank
If
Kingston.
we get,
Come on.
no, if we get one more hand, we stop.
You look like a Frank Kingston. You run come over and get sweat.
MoMo, why you sweat?
Oh, Jesus.
No, God.
All on my neck.
No, a good thing the
say-
video dark. Cause if people see you some MoMo,
Man.
my God.
Jesus, I tell you. You drink your bud.
And me if you tell you
But
about it.
say you give me one more and make me done. Two and you scuff.
Two people. Don't look at the camera now. Me, tomorrow update you and tell you what go on. Tomorrow we'll update you and tell you.
Jesus.
Lord God, no. People, this is what holiday is for, yeah? Walla joy. Laugh and braff.
Here, where the ching there? Where the ching there?
Oes.
Nobody else is going to swim?
Yes. But you have to dress up like you know.
When there wasn't here, so why not?
Yo, anybody can hold up the 10 seconds.
Tessie,
them
can
money.
we please get a competition on this? Brother, you have to get this competition, right? Alright, ready? So the competition is that who can put their legs up behind them straight. Because it's easy when you're on this to have your legs apart and float, right? Yes, Jose?
You know what I do? I just lie down on my
Little John, where you go?
I'm a choke still to jump off of me. Stop.
I can do sideways.
Okay, I'll try that one. Okay, so we're trying to keep our legs up straight behind us. Ready? Ready, Wayne?
Yeah.
Let's see who can do it the longest. 2, 3. But his legs gotta be his legs are not straight behind him. But no, the whole thing, Wayne, is that you're not to let go of the ball at all. 1, 2, 3. Don't let go. I win that round. On your marks. Get set. Go. What you put them? Don't let go in. Don't let go in. Don't let go. Don't let go. What is that no you have?
Oh my gosh.
No snacks. Alright. He's not being funny. That's how hard it is to keep. Are you in? What you did? Are you okay? You need assistance?
Hey, what's wrong?
Daddy, only a twist like gig.
Hey, what's wrong?
He's fine.
I'm okay.
What about those things where the guys bench press their wife?
Weird. No.
What about that? Haven't you seen that? Those viral videos where husbands bench press their wives?
No, but if you look at it, they're very.
It's true. Those husbands are very strong. This is our version. Go for it, Wayne.
Well, give me about 3 months.
Try to do a bicep curl at least.
Give me 3 months.
Try just a bicep curl. Just a bicep curl?
Half body in,
Alright.
half body out.
No, bicep curl.
Man. You wanna see some bubble? Trouble.
Ready?
Sorry, you feel the bubble by your mouth.
No, we don't want to catch a migraine. We don't want to catch a migraine
Why?
tonight.
You're the worst. You're the worst. Worst.
Don't say that.
Have them for you.
What's their point, Daddy?
Alright, so 8-6. Alright, 7 with it.
I don't know.
Spin.
Get away! Ooh! No, that's not possible.
What?
Stand there.
They're the middle, you know.
No, you got it. Play to
Clover. Switch point.
That's highway.
Same thing going down there.
Yeah, but this is yours. Are you taller?
Alright, fine.
You ready, Eddie?
Eddie, are you okay? You forgot how
how shallow it was.
Okay, you missed the step.
I knew.
Alright, this is the shot. Go over more. Alright, 9 off. Yeah. You win.
You never touch it.
Can I say something? I touched it, you know.
Fair enough.
Alright, so this is one. So
let's go last
one.
one.
No, one. The first set of 3 sets.
First set that. So we go back to now.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe.
Touch it. Stop.
Press the subscribe button. And also don't forget to share this video.
Share it by Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook.
Share it
Listen
with
me no man.
everybody. As Wayne always says, share it like food. I mean like share it out like food.
Yeah.
Share it with somebody who you think might enjoy it. And if you want to find out more about what each of us is doing, definitely check out the links in the description box. Lots of information for you there.
And right about now we say hashtag MTM family.